Yeah, this is on a timeless song. I'm here to address all this rubbish, all this nonsense that is going on in the world today, and no one wants to talk about it. Look at everywhere in the world today, things are going wrong. People are dying, people are being killed over new places, and no one wants to talk about it because we are black and nobody wants to talk about this death, these killings, this murdering that's going on in our lives today. Go to the east, south, west, everywhere, crisis, people are dying, no one wants to talk about it, and we're gonna talk about it right now. If enemy, 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 different life matters. If enemy, go to the south, go to the east, go to the west. People are dying, people are perishing, people are being killed, people are being murdered. If enemy, someone that if enemy, if enemy, if enemy, if enemy, one that if enemy, if enemy, our politicians have abandoned us, our leaders have abandoned us, our leaders have abandoned us, our religious leaders have abandoned us. If enemy, if enemy, if enemy, if enemy, if enemy, people are dying, people are being killed, everywhere crosses, everywhere is on fire, everywhere is on fire, everywhere is sick, everywhere is down, everything have collapsed, everything is dead, people are dying, everywhere is a crisis, every day life, rain doctors crying, yes is falling, everywhere is down, that seems